Hello guys, want to start earning with DeFi but don't know where to begin? In this video I'll give you a quick beginner-friendly guide to staking, lending and yield farming safely. DeFi is the future of finance. Decentralized, permissionless and open to anyone. In this video, I'll break down how beginners can start with DeFi, step by step without getting lost. DeFi, or decentralized finance, allows you to lend, borrow and earn interest on crypto without banks. Platforms like Aave, Compound and Uniswap are making it easier for anyone to participate. Get a wallet. MetaMask is beginner friendly, for example. Step 2. Found your wallet with a small amount of crypto. Step 3. Explore DeFi apps. Lending earns interest on your crypto. Staking locks crypto to support network and earn rewards. Yield farming provides liquidity and earns fees and rewards. Check these before using a DeFi platform. Total value locked, also known as TVL, shows liquidity, platform reputation and audits, fees and APY rates. Avoid new untested projects. Additional mistakes to avoid: investing more than you can afford to lose in the worst case, ignoring impermanent loss in liquidity pools, falling for scams or unverified tokens, overcomplicating strategies too soon. Let's do a simple example. You deposit $100 into Aave, earn about 5% APY lending stablecoins. Over a year, that's passive income while your capital stays in crypto. Safe, beginner-friendly and easy to track. DeFi doesn't have to be intimidating. Start small, learn and grow your crypto portfolio safely. Comment below if you tried DeFi before and want a deeper walkthrough. Hit like, subscribe and turn on notification for weekly crypto guides. Till then, stay safe, stay curious and I'll see you in the next video.